the best. Ingat ka palagi, Ken. Ang pagpapala sa sarili mo. God bless.
Tol, happy birthday. Mana naman yung bilig yan. Wish ko kaya ka sana pa na ang good health at babalik sa sarili mo. Kaya ko ay ni metaba ako uling pa na po si Kenny. Panay ang mimingat. Okay kami mo Kenny. Happy birthday.
Marge, happy birthday. Nang balita akin. Kamusta? Sabihin mo, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tito, happy birthday. Badalasan yung kumari ko. Matunay kakiyalong niyo. Ingat Ken. Happy birthday pa si Bayo from Singapore. Singapore. Okay, bye-bye. God bless. Ingat po. Happy birthday.
Erwin, happy birthday!
Si Billy naman.
Hindi kami nagulat.
Happy birthday.
Oh, yun lang. Dami pa.
Happy birthday ulit!
Ikaw.
Maraming
Brad,
birthday.
happy birthday!
Painom
Kita-kita
na.
na tayo ulit.
Alam na.
Alam na kung kailan celebration.
Static na yan.
Ano
Palabas
pa?
ta.
I-edit
Oh.
mo pa kasi.
Dali, tatapat ko
Huwag kang
sa'yo.
maniniwala kay Ate Michelle doon.
Joke lang!
Oh.
Joke lang yun. Happy birthday, Brad.
Teka lang, iyak ka.
Tagal
Alam
na.
mo,
Ilang birthdays na yung
birthday
pinagsamahan
mo
nyo.
na. Hindi yung kasama birthday mo eh. Hindi, 2 taon na rin.
Hmm.
So Brad, ngayon, birthday mo ulit.
Sagot mo na lahat.
Sagot mo na lahat. Sama siya.
Sa linggo ba yan?
Sa Monday birthday.
Monday birthday
O
na.
pwede tayo magbarkada.
Happy birthday! See you! Shot na yan!
Shot na.
Bye!
lang. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. Ayun na.
Happy birthday! Opa!
Tito Saldi.
Ano ba pangalan?
Maligayang bati sa iyong parawan.
Oh, napagsalita natin. Tita, kayo po.
Happy birthday, Erwin!
May bagong member ng family. Ipapakilala ko muna. Si Ellie J. Pamangkin ni Tito Saldi.
Happy birthday!
Please come in and just sit.
Happy birthday. Kabilis yung panahon eh. Ito yung wish ko mo kaya sana atupad mo na yung wish mo, pangarap mo kayong biye mo, kayong edad mo, ng happiness, peace of mind. Pero medyo masakit pa ito nanta, pero siguro gama ka na inambagya. Ini kagigising ko pa kanini. Gobra na naman. Bahal mo naman gini. Itamimingat na akin. Sana tapi. Maging okay lang ang yung papel ko ba tamigit-igit akin. Okay. Happy birthday, Ben. Mimingat.
Hi dear, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and all the happiness that this world can give. Stay strong and stay as wonderful as you are. May paborining sarili mo. And kahit na maning pagsubok na datang keng biyata mo, sana maging mas matatag ka. Isipan mo lagi na agyo mo at lagi kami nga tsukeni para suportahan ta ka. I love you very much and thank you for the unconditional love and itang kaya kang pag-aalaga ka na ako. Thank you for holding on into our relationship and I look forward to growing old with you and spending the rest of my life with you. happy birthday, happy 29th birthday. This is our last year in our 20s. So make the most out of it. I love you and I miss you so much.
Please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch. I've been dreaming way too much. Can we just turn this into reality? 'Cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me from this crazy world we live in. And I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you.